All right, fifth grade. Today we are continuing on in our week 11 math lessons. Today we're going to work with the same idea of adding two mixed numbers that we did for the past two lessons with unlike denominators like what we did last lesson. But now we're going to add this part of regrouping. Last lesson, some of them needed to be regrouped and some of them didn't. This one, all of them need to be regrouped, so that makes it a little harder. And then, of course, remember, everything needs to be simplified. Let's take a look at our first example. All right, so I have 16 3/4 plus 7 5/12. Now, when I'm working on this, remember, I'm going to rewrite it. So I'm going to write the addition sign, write the equal bar. All right, now I need to change my denominator so that they are the same. Can I change a 12 into a 4 by multiplying? No, but I can change a 4 into a 12. So let's multiply. 4 times what equals 12? Very good, 4 times 3. 3 times 3. Let's write it over here now. 4 times 3 equals 12. 3 times 3 equals 9. Remember, when I change the denominator, so I have like denominators, I don't need to change the whole number. That can stay 16. And because this is a 12, I don't need to change it. I can keep that one as 5/12. 7 stays as a whole number. Now let's add it together. 9 plus 5 gets me 14. 12 stays as my denominator. 16 plus 7 gets me 23. But I can't just say 23 and 14/12. I need to regroup because 14 is bigger than 12. Remember, to regroup, I have to use this little doodad we always have to go through. Numerator over denominator equals numerator in the box, denominator out of the box. Whole number is my quotient and my remainder is my new numerator. And that gets written as a mixed number as whole number is the big one. Numerator's on top, denominator's on the bottom. So let's do that to 23 and 14/12. Which one should go in the box? 14 should go in the box. 12 should go outside of the box. 14 divided by 12 is 1. 1 times 12 is 12. 14 take away 12 is 2. I have one remainder 2. All right, so now, remember, I'm going to write this as 1, 2 over 12. But I can't forget, I still have this 23 up here that I need to add to the 1. What's 1 plus 23? Well, that's 24. And can 2 and 12 be simplified? Yes, it can be. Because what's 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So now that I've finally regrouped and simplified, I get an answer of 24 and 1/6. Let's look at that with one more example. All right, let's look at 42 and 1/5 plus 42 and 8/9. All right, now don't let the 42s confuse you. I need to focus in on that 1/5 and 1/9. Now, is there a common multiple between 5 and 9? I'm thinking, what number can be both changed into a 5 and a 9. I'm going to have to get pretty big because there's nothing until 45. I'm going to have to change them both to have a denominator of 45. When I do that, I've got 5 times 9 equals 45. Rewrite my addition sign in equal bar. Fraction, 5 times 9 is 45. Remember, whatever I do to the bottom, I've got to do to the top. 1 times 9 is 9. And my 42 wholes stays the same. 9 times what equals 45? Well, 9 times 5. Write the fraction bar, 45. 8 times 5 is 40. And my 42 stays the same. Now we can go ahead and add them together. 40 plus 9, because remember 45 is still going to be my denominator. It's going to be 49. Right away I can tell I'm going to have to regroup because this 49 is bigger than 45. Well, let's add the whole numbers. 42 plus 42 is 84. Let's come down over here now and let's follow the regrouping procedure. 49 goes in the box. 45 goes out of the box. 49 divided by 45 is 1. 1 times 45 is 45. 49 subtract 45 is 4. I get 1, remainder 4. Remember, I rewrite that as 1 and 4 45s. I added 84 before I forget about it. 84 plus 1 whole is 85. And now I ask myself, can 4 and 45 be simplified? Well, 4 can only be simplified by dividing it by 2 or 1, and neither of those fit in the 45. So I can keep it as 4 45. So I get an answer of 85 and 4 45s. All right, put that in the practice today on your toucan fraction number 18.